Welcome to Auth0 OTP for WP Forms. The smarter way to secure WordPress forms with seamless multi-channel OTP verification, ensuring every submission is authentic, verified and spam-free. In this walkthrough, we'll guide you step by step through the entire setup process, including plugin installation, configuration and enabling OTP verification for your WP forms. First, make sure that the WP Forms plugin is already installed and active on your WordPress website. And if not installed, let's go and install it. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type WP Forms. Click Install Now and once installed, click Activate. WP Forms allows you to easily create contact forms, lead forms and other custom forms using a drag-and-drop builder. Now let's install the Auth0 OTP for WP Forms plugin. Go to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Auth0 OTP for WP Forms. Click Install Now and after installation, click Activate Plugin. Alternatively, you can install the plugin manually. Simply download the plugin zip file provided by Auth0. Then go to Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin. Choose the downloaded zip file, click Install Now and once the installation finishes, click Activate Plugin. After activation, you'll see a new menu option in your WordPress sidebar called Auth0 OTP for WP Forms. Click on that, General Settings. Here, you'll see three required fields: App ID, Client ID and Client Secret Key. To get these credentials, click the provided link and create your account on Auth0. Sign up using your email address or mobile number. Verify your account using the OTP sent to you. Once logged in, go to the Applications section from the left side menu. Each application has its own app ID, client ID and client secret. Copy these values and paste them into the respective fields in your WordPress Auth0 plugin settings. Next, verification channels. Choose how users will receive OTPs via email, SMS, WhatsApp or voice call. You can enable one or multiple verification methods based on your requirement. Under Phone OTP settings, select your primary verification method. For example, SMS. Scroll down to the country selection section. This setting allows you to control which countries appear in the phone number drop-down field on your WP forms. You have two options here. Select all countries. This will show all available countries to users worldwide. Select specific countries. This option lets you restrict phone verification to selected countries only. Click Save Changes to apply your settings. On this page, you can configure the default OTP settings for WP forms. Set the OTP length, expiry time, control recent behavior with cooldown time and maximum resend limits. Click Save Changes. This How to Use section helps you quickly set up OTP verification in WP Forms. Now, open the WP Form Integration tab. From here, you can view all your existing forms, create a new form or edit an existing one. Click Add New to create a fresh form or use Edit to update a form and add Auth0 OTP verification. In the WP Forms Builder, drag and drop the Auth0 email and Auth0 phone fields as needed. Use Auth0 email field for email verification. Use Auth0 phone field for SMS, WhatsApp or voice call verification. Add both fields for dual verification. Give your form a title and click Save. Now page where your WP Forms form is embedded. You can also preview forms from this screen. You'll see your form with Auth0 OTP verification fields. Each field includes a dedicated Send OTP button, such as Send OTP to email, Send OTP via WhatsApp, Users can enter their email or phone number and click the Send OTP button. Auth0 will instantly send a secure one-time password through the selected channel. If multiple channels are enabled, Auth0 automatically switches to a fallback method if the primary delivery fails. Once the OTP is verified, users can submit the form successfully. You'll receive genuine leads with real-time authentication, improving trust and data quality. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Auth0 OTP for WP Forms. We hope this guide helped you set up secure and verified forms on your WordPress website.